We will guide you through how to make KakaoTalk group chat. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, unlock your smartphone and connect to a stable internet connection before you begin. Open the KakaoTalk app on your Android or iPhone, then sign into your KakaoTalk account if you are not already logged in. Wait for the KakaoTalk home screen to load completely before continuing. Once the home screen appears, tap the Chats option at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the New Chat button to create a new conversation. Look for the regular chat option and select it from the available choices. Browse through your contacts and select the friends you want to add to the group. Check the selected contacts carefully to make sure you have chosen the correct people. After confirming your selections, tap OK or the corresponding button to continue. Enter a suitable name for your group chat if KakaoTalk provides a group name option. Choose a clear name that helps everyone understand the purpose of the conversation. Review the group members and make sure everyone you want to include has been added. Check the names carefully and make sure no unwanted contacts were selected. Wait for KakaoTalk to create the new group conversation. When the group conversation opens, send a welcome message to activate the group invitation to other members. Use the message to explain the purpose of the group and welcome everyone. Confirm that all selected members can access the new group conversation. Check the member list and conversation screen to make sure the group is working correctly. If necessary, review the members again and correct any mistakes before continuing. Finally, confirm that your KakaoTalk group chat has been created successfully and is ready to use. Keep the group name clear and use the chat normally. You can also adjust group notifications or other available settings if needed.